Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing your Facebook profile photo on the Facebook app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you would like to remove your profile photo on Facebook so that the profile image box is completely blank, then follow the steps to learn how to do it. Open the Facebook app and then tap on the 3 lines menu button to open the menu. Tap on your name at the top of the menu to open your Facebook profile. Tap on your profile photo at the top. Tap See Profile Picture from the options. Tap the 3 dots button in the top right of the picture. Note that when you delete your profile photo, it will also delete the post where you posted that photo. So if you would like to keep that photo on Facebook and no longer have it on your phone, I would recommend tapping Save Photo. The photo will then be saved to your camera roll and you can re-upload it to Facebook once you have deleted your profile photo. Tap Delete Photo. Then tap Delete on the pop-up. If your photo doesn't disappear immediately, swipe down on the screen to refresh the page. Your profile photo will now be removed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.